Juju.
Hi, Julian. Hi, Julian.
Hi, Julian.
I went the ducky.
You got duckies on your shirt? And your bathrobe?
Ducky.
Yeah, duckies.
Duck, duck.
Quack, quack. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. I didn't really film too much yesterday, but we went to my friend Tracy's house. Here's a clip from that.
So we came to my friend Tracy's house for her housewarming party, and we're about to go, but before we go, I'm gonna shotgun a beer. Nice meeting you. Let's go. Bam.
So that was Saturday. We hung out there for a while for her housewarming party, and it was pretty fun. She has a very nice house, and I met some new friends and did a shotgun with them, so that was cool. Anyway, it's Sunday, back to Sunday. Good morning. We're here gonna get breakfast with my parents and my sister and the whole family. Have some breakfast on this beautiful Sunday morning, so that's that. Here we go.
Yeah, you can't go touch it. You can only see it.
The menu. It's called the menu. We read the menu. Num, 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 num. Oh my goodness, look at them all, Bubba.
That's cool. You guys have different desserts.
Are you looking at the train?
Oh yeah! You eating some breakfast, Juju? You got a lot of food. That's a big boy breakfast. That's everyone got their breakfast.
Sausage.
You gonna have a bite of sausage? Juju. Love sausage.
Get you in the vlog, bro.
So the weather today is feeling fallish. I know it's still a little early for it, but I decided to treat myself this morning. And I got my first pumpkin spice iced coffee. I know it's still early, but I couldn't wait. So yeah, I decided to spend some time outside during my lunch break. It does look like it's gonna storm or something. It's pretty cloudy today, cooler today. But also I shot 2 videos for the channel. One is another beverage review, and another is me just playing around in Photoshop and Premiere and whatnot. So that's just like a fooling around video. But it's a very productive lunch break. I'm only half hour into it. 2 videos in. A little bit of vlogging. Went for a walk. And so far so good. It's Ruby's mom's birthday today, so we are gonna go out to eat tonight for dinner. Boy, do I have a deal for you. These binoculars are great. They can do so many things. You can use them in boating and yachting, bird watching, sports, and sports. It really says that. They list sports twice.
Juju, are we out for Grandma's birthday?
Those are yours. Don't drop them. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Panchito. Happy birthday to you. Okay, put it on him now.
Phone to open and open the video app. I missed the whole thing.
Julian, are you wearing the sombrero?
Yeah, make it come on. I'll get a picture.
Are you wearing the sombrero,
Put it
Juju?
on, Julian. What's real? Yummy. Take another bite.
Juju, are you having some dessert?
Yeah, watch what he can do. Go ahead, pick it up. Take some. There you go. Put it in. It really should be on the video.
Is that yummy?
This whole area around here, like the gardens, this would make a really cool spot to shoot something. I don't know what yet. This area is so neat. So much cool things to look at. I like it. That's kind of cool. Alrighty, it is time to wrap this vlog up, but I do want to show you Pete and Sierra sent me this video for the 50th vlog, but they had sent it after I'd already uploaded it. Sorry guys. So I just wanted to get their clip in this one because they're awesome and I really appreciate them sending me that video. So here it is.
Hey!
Hey, Andy loves Lego.
Happy 50th vlog.
Awesome job.
Keep it going.
So that's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet already, please watch and subscribe. I love it. And you might like it too, or you might not, but I think you'll like it. So yeah, definitely do that. And then also hit me up on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, all of the above. It's usually Andy Lego or Andy Loves Lego of some sort at hashtag. You know what to do. And also, I hope you guys are doing good. Just know that, you know, people care, and I hope you guys are doing well, staying positive, working hard, and all that good stuff. I know you guys are, and keep that up. You guys are awesome. Stay that way. I know you will, and I'll see you in the next one.